Alright, today just going to talk about the exhaust that I have. Just 3-inch straight pipe all the way back from the headers. No cats, no resonators, nothing. Went with the straight pipe just because I like all my cars loud. Except that one, since it's a daily stock life. My last car, super loud, straight piped. Yeah, that's just how I like it. Anyways, yeah, just 3-inch straight pipe from the headers back. No cats, no resonator. I didn't go all the way out the back because I honestly like to hear it inside my car, because I don't drive this car every day, so when I do, I like to enjoy it. It's just a little dump after the axle. Let's see, where is it? There it is. This little dump. Yeah, just gonna start it up and let you guys hear it for a second. Bear with me here. As you can hear, it's pretty loud. It's not crazy loud, but loud enough for me. Another thing is new wheels this weekend. They're gonna be some Boston's, same size really, 20 by 10.5 in the back, 9.5 in the front. So stay tuned for that. That way I can get this ugly ass spares out this bitch. But yeah, just a little exhaust clip. She idles like a kitten. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe.